You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Investors are taking profits on previously opened positions, so they all urgently need a bullish signal. However, there is a risk of getting another bearish one, which has an extremely negative effect on demand. Let's try to determine the short-term prospects of the market. To begin with, key stock indexes as well as cryptocurrencies have reached historic highs this year. Since these are two classes of risky assets, a significant deterioration in the geopolitical situation, as well as the statement by the head of the Fed that a rate cut may occur later, exerts strong pressure. At first glance, it may seem that all the stars have come together and now dark times will come. First, the stock market and Bitcoin were at historic highs, following rapid growth. Secondly, the military conflict in the Middle East has significantly worsened. In addition, British Foreign Secretary David Cameron said on Wednesday that Israel had decided to respond to Iran's unprecedented missile attack over the weekend. This is another bearish fundamental factor for the stock market. And thirdly, the head of the Federal Reserve bluntly said that the key interest rate may remain at the current level longer than previously planned. Shifting to the oil market, let's pay attention to the fact that investors are focused not on the risks of supply, but demand. After all, the rapid deterioration of the geopolitical situation in the Middle East has had a strong negative impact on the U.S. stock market. Consequently, there is a high probability of a slowdown in the world's largest economy, which in turn will lead to a decrease in the growth rate of physical demand for oil. Therefore, the aggravation of the military conflict has put pressure on oil prices. Thus, further sales on the stock market may contribute to a decrease in oil prices. Moreover, further deterioration of sentiment in the stock market can increase pressure on Bitcoin, which is struggling to stay above the support level of $60,000. A breakthrough of the noted support may result in significant sales, thereby increasing panic. But at the moment, there is still a possibility of resuming growth, since the quote of the largest cryptocurrency cannot overcome this technical and at the same time psychological level of support. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.